Well, hello, and welcome back to another episode of Tractors and Such. So today, we are getting ready to walk in to the 2026 National Farm Machinery Show here in Louisville, Kentucky. So, we're going to have a good time. We're going to enjoy. Hatchy.
Oh man. Yeah, go show Josh. Yeah, it's assholes with these Ferris. They just electric deck lift, so you don't have to muscle that whole 72-inch deck in. So it's, you know, just hit a switch and then it's up and down. For the farmers that have diesel on site and they want a comfortable ride.
Time is the only thing that matters on this track, and it's the only thing that matters in this field. If you want to know all those cars, consider yourself second place. That's why I run the scrap industry young machine to maximize.
Your little lodestar. Yeah, I'm sure it is.
Power button.
Hey, Dad. I think our old Dutch made in the 60s easier to operate than this. This one's got too many knobs and switches that I don't know how to use. I mean, it ain't simple as just pulling a lever and raising the loader. You gotta adjust stuff.
What you sign off on is the safety.
Like collision, rumble zones or whatever.
Like a little Jeep. Put this like. Third. Fourth. Fifth.
Six. Oliver International. Steiger.
Somewhere here.
Well, the farm machinery show went great. While we were there, I got me a toy of a Farmall F20, like the real thing I've got. Which I've got it on here on my channel. It's even got the steers. It even steers like the real thing. The worm drive gearbox. I thought it was neat. And I've got the book for it in here in the box. It's not opened, and I ain't gonna open it. The tractor itself was already opened. But I thought it'd be good to put on my desk here. So, yeah. I'm going to end the video here. Thank y'all for watching this video of tractors and such. Now we're going to go with Paul with the devotion.
Today's devotion is Genesis chapter 25, beginning at verse 6. But unto the sons of the concubines of Abraham hath Abraham gave gifts, and sent them away from Isaac his son, while he yet lived, eastward unto the east country. And these are the days and the years of Abraham's life, which he lived, 160 years. Then Abraham gave up the ghost, and died in the good old age, an old man, full of years, and was gathered to his people. And his sons Isaac and Ishmael buried him in the cave at Machpelah, in the field of Ephron, and the son of Zahor the Hittite, which is before Mandre. And the field which Abraham purchased of the son of Heth, where was Abraham buried, and Sarah his wife. And it came to pass after the death of Abraham that God blessed his son Isaac, and Isaac dwelt by the well of Lehi. Thank you for watching Kay's video today. See you on the next posting.